Hello friends, today's topic, what are the ideal conditions to invest in stock markets? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. In every aspect of life, there are ideal conditions. Ideal road is the one where there are no potholes and also there are effective road signs. Ideal person is the one who has no flaws. However, in practical terms, ideal situation almost never exists. In stock markets as well, there are some situations for investing. If these conditions are satisfied, then it would be the right time to invest. The following are the ideal conditions for investment in stock markets. Number one, the stock market feels safe. Number two, I have full clarity on economic data such as GDP and inflation, etc. Three, there are no wars, political tensions in India and anywhere in the world. Four, the stock market is cheaply valued. Five, the government is doing a perfect job for the country. Six, there is no negative news. Seven, I know exactly which direction the market is going to move in the short term. Eight, once recession ends. Nine, there is no uncertainty in the market. When would all of these conditions get satisfied? Almost never. There will always be a lot of uncertainty, negative news, and many reasons to not to invest now. However, successful investors are smart enough to realize that conditions are never going to be perfect and we have to invest for long term in spite of all these problems. Many investors wait for the right time to invest. However, no such thing as right time if you are a long term investor. You must invest regularly over a long period irrespective of the market level, and if you have some extra money, you can invest some money when markets fall significantly now and then. Now, here is an announcement regarding our free webinar on Sunday 19th November from 10:30 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. Topic, learn stock markets from scratch. Whoever meets us tells us that I know nothing about stock market and I want to learn the stock markets from scratch. They think that when we are conducting a workshop, we are addressing only the brokers and the people who know all about stock market, which is false. All the time in our webinars, when addressing people who know nothing about stock market, who want to start in a structured manner from A, B, C, D, etc. However, the seats are limited to the first 150 people only. And you know, whenever Dr. Bharath Chandra conducts a webinar, there will be large number of people, somewhere around 250 to 400, and first come, first basis. It is very important that you register right now. Dr. Bharath Chandra graduates need not attend. However, this particular webinar happens in Kannada. You may be curious to know what will be taught in this particular webinar. First is basics of stock market. What is IPO? What is FPO? What is preferential shares? What is rights issue? What is secondary market? Etc. etc. Second one, large number of people think that stock market is always a loss. Today, one of our video deals with the same topic about loss in the stock market. If you invest correctly for long term and short term, you can make profits from stock market either way all the time. Third topic we cover is basic fundamental analysis, by learning which you can invest for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 years. A small sum in SIP or SCP, and that gets you huge dividends, and your children education, marriage and retirement income can be gotten entirely free. Then finally, basic technical analysis, by learning which you can earn few thousands extra in a month to improve your lifestyle. Maybe you want to buy a new mobile, maybe you want to buy clothes for the family, or you want to go for a picnic, etc. Now, how to register? Click on the link in the description box below. Read the full details and register using the register button. You will get the webinar link in a short while. Now, continuing the topic of the video, we have made this video because many people keep waiting for a particular right time to invest. Other investors may be investing lesser than their capacity and waiting for market to fall more to invest more money. Both these approaches will lead to investors regretting their decision in future when the markets are much higher. At the end of the video, here is a question. Do you feel bad that you could have started investing in stock market earlier than you actually did? Yes or no, you may type. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharat Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.